If you cannot date it, you are guessing. Filters are only useful when you know their stage of life. Time, gallons, and use turn a filter from a tool into a question mark. You open the fridge and stare at the filter light, but you cannot remember the last filter change. So every glass becomes a small bet that the cartridge has some room left. That's not a memory problem, that's a tracking problem. A filter needs a date. Reminder lights are not the whole story. Today, write the install date on the replacement cartridge where you can see it. Maintenance is not a chore. It's a proof that your filter is still working. Comment report and I will send you a link where you can quickly check your municipal water quality for free.